Hello and welcome to another episode of Mogul TV. I am your host, Boss Mogul. If this is your first time to our channel, I want to say thank you and welcome. You're going to be in for a great surprise because we have great informative information that we have for you guys on this channel. This channel is about empowering you and also giving you tools and techniques that I use to be successful in business, in Forex, and in crypto. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't really give you any advice, but I can show you the tools and the skill sets that I use to be successful in business and in life. So in this video today, we're going to talk about how to set up your Metatrader account. If you haven't had your brokerage account set up, go back and look at my previous video on how to set up a Hugo's Way account. Now, you can use whatever brokerage you want to use, but I use Hugo's Way, so you'll be able to see a video on there. And they've been good to me, so that's what I'm promoting right now. So again, you want to go download Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4, you want to download that. Once you download it, you're going to click this little gearbox right here on the bottom, and it's going to come to this page right here. And you want to click on New Account, okay? You click on New Account. You're not going to open up a demo account if you're trying to open up a real one, but I would recommend that you start with a demo account so you can practice and get the techniques and get the skill sets and see how everything works before you start trading real money. But for this video, we're going to go in and click login to an existing account. What we're going to do is we're going to click Hugo's Way. And then from there, the email that was sent to you from Hugo's Way when you created your Metatrader account, you would have had the login and the password, and this is what you would put in here, and then you'll be able to log in and get into the trading platform. Now, I've already have an account here set up already, so we're going to go to the account I currently have. So we are here in the account, and we're going to click the double arrow right here, which takes us to the front screen. And this is where you would add your coins. Now, when you sign up, you're going to see a bunch of other cryptocurrency and different products on here. If you want to add more, this plus sign, if you click that, it gives you the different ones. Now, your main cryptocurrencies or currencies to exchange is going to be here in the FX majors. So you would just click the plus sign like this, and it will add that to that. And then you'll see on the next page it's added here. And if you want to erase it, all you have to do is click the pencil and then click the garbage can. If you have active trades in your pair, it won't let you do that. I recommend that you only trade with one pair because most of the pairs, they move in unison, especially if it has USD in front or behind it. So whatever happens to the dollar is going to happen to all of them. So I say focus and master one. That's all I do. I don't trade any other pair but USD JPY. So you find the pair that you want and then you go ahead and trade. Okay, so let's get out of this right here. Click the pencil to go back. And let's go with setting up the platform. So let's take a look at what mine did. So as you can see, these are the colors. Green means buy. And then, of course, the red means to sell. So we're going to go and set up the colors. Okay, go into settings. And under settings, you're going to click on the chart. And then under here, you're going to see the chart set up. And then you're going to see the colors. Okay, take a second and use this to set up your Metatrader to this if you want to, but this will make your screen look exactly like my screen, okay, if you copy these color system right here. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's go and look into the trade. So at your top left hand corner, you're going to see on mine it has H1s. This is where you determine the type of trader that you are. If you're trading, let's see, we have different options like 1 minute trader, 5 minute trades. You have 15 minutes, 30 day, week, month. This is where you can see the chart and you can see how it's moving. All right. So basically, this is what you want to do. You want to basically figure out the type of trader you are. If you're going to be a 30-minute trader, if you're going to be a 15-minute trader, a day trader, this is how you would come in and you would look at your chart. Okay, so me, I trade on the hourly chart, and what I do is I'm not constantly watching my trades. I set my trades, and then I have alerts on TradingView that lets me know when my trades hit a certain position, and then I know when to come in and take a look at my trades to close them or to enter. So this is basically where you change the time frame, top left hand corner. You change that. Now this little plus sign right here is just so you can kind of move to see, for example, where did it stop at? If I want to see, okay, this stopped at 109.969. If I move it here, I can see how much or what position these candlesticks stop. These are called candlesticks. All right. So see, next one, the little F looking thing symbol is basically where you can add different indicators. Okay, there's going to be plenty of videos about these different indicators. You can find them online. These indicators, they really help you out with trading, of knowing when to come in and when to get out. It's a lot to learn, but you just pick 3 or 4 to help you with knowing how to get into your trades. And then the little triangle shaped symbols, this is where you would use certain symbols like lines, Fibonacci tools, and things like that. So this is also a lot of information to help you with trading. Trading seems complex, but here at the Mogul TV, we make it very simple. And if you subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our website, you'll be able to see some of the tools and techniques that I use to make it simplified to make money in the Forex market. All right. And whenever you're ready to place a trade, you would click on the trade button right here. And this is where you would enter into trades. Now, you would need to watch videos, and on my website, you would need to watch some of the videos about creating the proper lot size. Where you see it says 25 cents over there, that will be considered a lot size. So every time this little line moves, it's moving my currency pair, my currency at 25 cents, a pip. Okay. So you want to know how to pick the right size, because if you only have $100 and you're going at 25 cents, you're going to blow your account at the eye, like in the blink of an eye. So you want to watch my previous videos, or go to the website and find a video about proper lot size. Okay. So basically, whenever you're ready to place a trade, you would go here. So let's, for example purposes, I'm not going to click on a trade, but if I wanted to enter into a trade, I would go 0.1. That would be like 1 penny. So every time that little line ticks up and down, it will be 1 penny. Market execution. Now up here, if you click it, there's different options. Okay. So market execution means I want to go into the trade right now. Okay, and once I enter into the trade, there's something that's called a spread, where you got to pay the broker. The broker needs to get paid. So you're going to see your trade go into a negative, and then starts to, if you pick the right direction, and then you start to see the negative to go down, and then you start getting to the profit. So market execution means you're going into the trade right away. Okay, buy limit. Buy limit means that, hey, my trade is at this position. Let's just say it is at 109.000, right? And you expect the trade to come down below 109. Okay, so let's just say it goes to 108.900. So it went down about 100 points. That's where you would set your buy limit. That means, but you're expecting it to go back up. Even though it came down, you're expecting it to go back up. So you would set a buy limit and say, hey, when it comes down to this point, I want you to enter me into a trade and go in the opposite direction, which is to head back up. So that is buy limit. Okay. And if you put the numbers incorrect, so right now, when I click the minus sign, it automatically gives me a position. So let's just say I made it 109.900. You see how the place is turning gray? That means it's above the entry point, and I can't do that. Okay, so I would have to make it below the point. So if I made it 109.800, you see now it's blue. It lets me get in. So this is where you would put it under price. So under the price section, you put the proper position where you want the trade to enter you in. Now you have stop loss. This is basically saying, hey, if you enter me at 109.800, but it goes down to 109.700 and I'm losing money, I want you to take me out at 109.700. That's what a stop loss is. So you're gonna have to watch other videos that shows you how to manage loss. Typically they say you want a trade, you want to be able to lose around 3% if you're going to lose anything. So you want to have the proper risk management. So stop loss, that's what that does for you. Take profit is if you enter that 109,800 and it goes to say 110, so it went up 200 points. So you would say, hey, I want you to take my profits when it hits that. So you would click the plus or minus sign and you would tell it, hey, I want you to enter me and I want you to take my profits here. So again, you see the place button is in blue. So if I put it in correctly, if I said 108, you see how it's in gray? So that means I put the wrong information. That's how you know if you placed it right, it will be in the blue. And if you put the wrong information, it will be in the gray. All right. Me personally, I don't trade with stop loss or take profit because I have a specific method that I use to maximize my profit and minimize my loss. So again, you'll find all this information on the website on proper lot sizes and how to trade and maximize earning on Forex. Okay. So these is how it is. So it's the same thing with sell limits. So same thing with the sell limits. So if I want to sell, say, hey, I see the market is going to go reverse and head in a downward trend, I'm going to click the little minus sign. It's going to show me the current position where I can enter at. So if it's at if it's currently at this position, and I say I want you to enter me at 110, okay? This is a sell limit. That means when it reaches up here, it needs to enter me into a sell limit. But if I'm below the current position at 108.00, I can't get into a sell limit because it's above that already. So I need to wait till it goes above to enter me in sell limit. So it's the opposite of buy limit, okay? So when you see it in the gray or in the blue, blue means it's good to go. Gray means that it's incorrect. Some of the other options you have buy stop. Buy stop basically means, hey, you know what? It's already entered into a buy and I want you to enter me into another position above where it's currently at. So a buy stop, basically, if it's at 109.834, I want to enter me at 109.900. So that's going to enter me into another trade of going in the same direction. Okay, so buy stop means it's traveling in the same direction, but it's ahead of you. Just think of a bus stop. You're waiting for the bus and it's coming. Okay, and so the bus is coming to you. And once you enter the trade, you're saying bye-bye to the bus stop. Okay, so a buy stop is basically entering you into a future trade that's heading in the same direction. And same thing with sell stop. So if you're at one position and it's coming down, but it hasn't hit your entry point. So let's just say it's at 10900 and it's heading south, heading down into a sell, and you want to enter at 108.900. It's going to enter you into that trade once it heads that because you're telling it, hey, it's going to continue to go south. So I want you to enter me into that trade. So these are the different options: buy limits, sell limits. Okay, but if you want to enter into a trade right away, you want to click market execution. It enters you right away. If you want to say, hey, it's going to change direction, is coming down, but it's in the sell, but I think it's going to head back up into a buy, you will set a position below where you think it's going to hit and then does a U-turn and head back up and start making profit into the buy. Same thing with the other one. All right, so this is basically how I use this. On the bottom, you have orders. This is just basically, not orders, quotes. This is where you see all your different currency pairs. You have the chart to currently see what your chart is at right now. You have trades. This is your active trades and also your account history. History basically shows you, what you've done for the week and things like that, money that you put in here. And it just shows you all your transactions, okay? All your deposits, like for example, $291, that's money that I took out of the account when I made a withdrawal. It looks like that. And if I close any trade early or prematurely, you see the negative red numbers. And then the blue are all the ones that you did in profit. And then the little gear sign is where you go. You create a demo account, you create a real account, new accounts. You manage everything on here. And of course, the chart. And this is where you will set up basically your color scheme. And if you want it to look like mine, just copy this right here. All right. So I want to say thank you very much for tuning in to another episode of Mogul TV. If you want more additional videos, please log on to my website at www.calledthemogul.com. On the site, you'll be able to see all the different services that we offer for marketing, advertisement, brand building, wholesale real estate, credit building, credit repair, trade lines, the whole shebang. Okay, so if you like this, make sure you click subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get more videos. And also don't forget to check out the companies that I'm using to earn free Bitcoin hourly. I recommend that you take a look at the video and see if this is something that you want to do. This is you making money overnight while you sleep. You spend a little cash, a couple $100, $200-300 depending on the price of Bitcoin, and then you just basically follow the system, and the system will definitely help you generate free Bitcoin hourly. So I recommend you take a look at it. The link is in the description. Again, I thank you very much for keeping it locked here on Boss Mogul TV. If there's any videos that you want to learn about that you don't see here, send me a comment or send me a message on the website and I will try to make you a video. But please make sure you do not invest any money that you can't afford to lose, because investing in crypto and Forex is high risk but high reward. All right, thank you very much. Keep it locked here. Boss Mogul out.